Are you tired of seeing your windshield like this in the rain? Keep watching. Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And in today's video we're gonna work on the windows, windshield, side windows and the back windows of the Toyota Celica. We just got this product in from Shine Armor, so without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. Let's open the box, see what came in it. Here we got the Shine Armor, the Graphene Nano glass coating. So we're gonna put it to the test, and they sent a nice, looks like two microfiber towels. So we're gonna check on the instructions real quick and then we'll get going. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you guys know I used to own some Challengers. Now on my last Challenger, I brought it brand new, so at 100 miles I actually got it ceramic coated already, which I loved from the get-go, which my boy Eric did, Detail Poppy. And since right now I'm still waiting for my other car coming in anytime soon, I will be treating this car because this will be the daily, and I will actually keep this car for a while now. I'm planning on doing ceramic coating on it too, but I'm gonna try to apply it myself. I'm not a professional, it's gonna be a DIY, and that's where this product comes in handy. So this product we're gonna do is Shine Armor. It's not a ceramic, but it's a graphene nano glass coating. It has the instructions here in the back, which if you guys read carefully, there's a little kink in the bottle, that's why I'm squeezing it. It's very easy to use. It only has 5 steps to follow. So just wash the car as you normally will do, and then dry your windshield out nicely, and then apply the nano glass coat half of the windows first, and basically wipe in, wax off. So that's basically how you're gonna treat it, and then buff it, clean it. Every time try to use a clean rag, and that will help doing it. I've never used this product. I've never used any ceramic spray, to be honest, so it's gonna be my first time. So if you're watching this, you're gonna learn with me just like I'm doing it. Now on camera the car doesn't look that dirty. I'm gonna give it a quick wash. I'm not gonna record all of that. I have plenty of washing videos. If you want to learn how how I use my setup, there's a bunch of videos down into the description or on the playlist. So let me just spray the car down so you guys can see how much dirt will run off, and then you guys understand why this car is not clean at this particular moment. A lot of people say, why would you buy a white car as a daily? It doesn't look dirty, but it actually is. So, and this car has not been ceramic coated yet, which I might do in the next couple of videos. So let's work on this first, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I was running out of daylight, and I just pulled the car inside of the garage so you can see how we're gonna apply this. But before we do this, I'm gonna pull some water, which will be what raining would do to your glass, so we can compare before and after. You can see how thick these drops are and how the watermarks will stay on your window. Now I'm gonna dry this off so we can actually apply the coat. Okay, now what we're gonna do, you're gonna get your microfiber towel, a nice clean, if it's new even better. Just remember to pull the tag so you don't scratch anything. Get it nicely, or we call it nice and wet. And I actually got one of the Japanese stickers in case the first time watching. My car is a right-hand drive car, so I'm gonna use that as a center line to get a nice thick layer on the windshield. Now that's nice and prepped, we're gonna press down firmly and try to spread it nice and even. Gonna do the same thing. Good. And right there also. So it doesn't specify an exact amount of time, so you do one half at a time, so I'll do the other half right away. Nice firm coat of it. Oops, almost dropped it. And we're gonna apply again on the towel. Give it a nice coat again. It's gonna look very nice and wet. You can actually do it in 2 strokes. There we go. Now let's wait for a second, let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna get the other one that came with it, which is this one. And you can see here it's drying off a little bit here already. And we're gonna take it off. It feels nice and smooth already. And it has a very nice scent to it. Something fruity, no idea what kind of fruit, but it smells very nice. There we go. That should be it for the application. Now let's put it to the test. Let me grab the water bottle. I'm gonna try to put half of the screen with the before and now with the after. Now let's see. All the water drops are actually thinner and definitely smaller. Means if you're driving and it's raining, it will definitely, due to gravity and the speed and everything, spread nicely over the windshield. And this is without using your wiper blades. So it's definitely looks to be working. I will definitely put it to the test and see how long it will last, and then I will give you guys some updates. But I'm gonna actually do the rest of the car real quick. I'm gonna put the time lapse. First of all, I want to say shout out, thanks to Shine Armor to send me this nice and beautiful product, the Graphene Nano glass coating. Now, 4 things I want to say real quick. First of all, you want to really apply that also on your mirrors. Very important part of your driving. Second of all, very easy to apply. It's the easiest thing ever, as you guys just saw. I'm not a professional in this, but it's so easy. Third one, it smells amazing. And the fourth one, you can actually grab it using the link down into the description, and you will actually get a discount. And if you like this kind of content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in the little future, I will give you some updates, how long it's been working, when should you use a second coat to apply on it, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out.